For the haircut, take a horseshoe section. Underneath the horseshoe, everything is uniform layering. First, a large triangle is sectioned from crown to corner of the eyebrow. Take diagonal partings to the front of the ear. Start by using a 45-degree razor in the crown parallel to fingers using a mobile guideline. Using a razor overcomb technique, hold horizontally and rotate razor to blend. Release large triangle and over-direct to crown area using horizontal partings. Take the guideline from the crown and connect to back, increasing length toward the front of the hairline using a 45-degree angle, and continue using the previous steps on the other side. Connect both side triangles in a stationary line towards the middle of the crown. Release the small triangle and point cut to create inner texture. Using natural fall distribution, comb the hair down and position hands diagonally forward and point cut to create a form line continuing on the other side. Comb the hair up and over in front of the ear and cut a blend line along the jaw line. This gives you an underlying graduation. Clean the contour lines with the tip of the shears. For the color, first mist hair with Bond and Seal. Using a 1 1/2 mixing ratio, mix CHI Bleach and Shine plus 30 volume CHI Color Generator plus 3 pumps of CHI Bond Rebuilder for bleach out application. The underneath formula, Formula 2, mix 1 ounce clear additive plus 1 shot of orange additive plus 2 shots of red additive plus 1 ounce 10 volume CHI Color Generator. 1 inch shadow root, Formula 3, 1 ounce 7V plus 1 ounce clear additive plus 2 shots red additive plus 1 shot violet additive plus 1 ounce 10 volume CHI Color Generator. Apply Formula 4 to mid-shaft and ends, and that is 1 ounce 11I plus 5 shots violet additive plus 1 shot 1N plus 1 ounce 10 volume CHI Color Generator. For the accent piece in the front hairline, custom mix CHI Chroma Paint Blue Crush plus CHI Chroma Paint Green with Envy plus CHI Chroma Paint Pearl Glam.